This is what we did today in class. That's where we're at. We did this in class. I'll go over this tomorrow. I didn't quite finish it yesterday, but and then we did this in class. Okay, my other video had this, but want to re-record this. Okay, what was the rate of change for Juan's hiking speed from 0 to 3 hours? 0 to 3 hours right here. So this line there. What is the rate of change for Juan hiking speed? Okay, Juan started at 1 mile. I didn't change this to miles, huh? I thought I did, but I guess not. To 7 miles right here. So the change in miles is 7 minus 1 over the change in hours, which is 3. It's the rate of change. So it's distance over time, 6 over 3, or 2 miles if you want to. It's 2 feet per hour. Per hour. Describe the graph. So Juan's speed, the graph is, Juan's speed is 2 miles per hour. Juan's speed is 2 miles per hour, and the graph is increasing. Okay. Describe the graph from 3 to 6 hours. Okay, 3 to 6 hours is this portion right here. 3 to 6 hour. What was Juan doing at this time? That's called a horizontal graph. Let's describe the graph. The graph is horizontal. The graph is horizontal. Therefore, the rate of change is 0. Okay, what was Juan doing at this time? The rate of change is 0, means Juan has stopped at 7 miles. Juan has stopped at 7 after 7 miles of traveling. He may have stopped for a drink of water, have stopped to visit a friend. Okay, what was the rate of change for Juan's hiking speed from 6 to 8 hours? Okay, 6 to 8. These are questions that's going to be on the test. 6 to 8 hours. From there to there. 6 is 7. Let me change the color. 6 is at 7. 8 is at 19. So 19 and 7 is 12. over how many hours? 6 to 8, 2 hours. And 2 hours, distance over time, which is 6 miles per hour. Explain how you know to use some in a vocabulary in Chris. Okay, the rate of change is 6 miles per hour, and the graph is increasing. How we know it's 6 miles per hour? By doing distance over time. The rate of change is 6 miles per hour. Oh, this is fine. I think I need to redo this question better. Is the above equation a function or not? Oh, there's no equation. Wrong question, forgot to delete. Okay. This one here, use the range. Range is y. So range is y. Y is -2, -1, 0, 1. Okay. We need to find the input. This is the range. We need to find the domain. Okay. Y, absolute value of y equals to x plus 1. We need to, might be on the test, will be on the test. So you substitute -2 for y, find equals to x plus 1. I need to see this, no skipping of steps. 2 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. X then is equal to this answer. So x is 1. So your order pair is 1, 2. Next number is -1. I'll do another color. -1. So absolute value of -1 equals to x plus 1. 1 equals to x plus 1. Subtract 1. X equals to 0. 0, -1. 0. Absolute value of 0 equals to x plus 1. 0 equals to x plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So x is -1 right here. Okay, so -1, 0. Last number is 1. Absolute value of 1 equals to x plus 1. I need to see the step that you know the absolute value. It helps me understand, you understand that part. 1 equals to x plus 1, and that's 0. So your answer is 0, 1. Not a function because the domain repeat at 0. Use the word domain or vertical line. We're going to use this word domain right here. Not a function because the domain of 0 repeats. graph this. 1, 2, 0, negative 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. And if you use the word vertical line, you would say not a function because the vertical line crosses this graph twice. Okay. Don't mention anything about domain. Just mention that the vertical line crossed the graph twice. Domain only mentioned about the graph. Okay. You are a hairstylist earning $60 per day, $15 for each haircut. Write an algebraic equation for the problem situation. Define each variable. Okay, I know it sounds $60 per day, so we want to know. So each haircut gets a times. This is a plus. Per means you want $60 a day. Okay, they want to see how much you earn a day with $15 for each haircut. So 60 plus 15 times H, which H represents the number of haircuts you did that day. And equals to E. E equals the amount earned. This is not cost. This is you are a hairstylist. You're earning earns. So E represent the amount earned by the stylist. So X is the number of haircuts. And then this is amount earned. Okay, so let's see how many haircuts we want them to have. 0 haircuts. Always choose 0. Pretend if they had 0 haircuts. Say have 5, 10, and then 15. That amount. See how much they earned. So this is the number of haircut, or H, and this is E, amount earned in dollars. Okay, so 60 plus 15 times 0 equals to $60. They get no haircut that day because they suck. They still make $60 for going over there helping clean and stuff. 60 plus $15 haircut times 5. That's 75 plus 60. That's $135. 60 plus 15 times 10. It's 150 plus 60. You get $210. So 60 plus 15 times 15, which is 225, plus 60, you get 285. Okay, graph that. 0 through 15, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great. Count by 1. Okay, and then dollar amount, we need to go up to $285, so that could be anything. Let's see. Count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. No, that's not enough. Count by 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 40, 60, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Oh, it'll work. It'll work. And then, yeah, it'll work. Okay. So, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 246, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300. Okay? So we go 0, 60. 5, 135. Okay, 140 is over here, 135. It's about right there. Erase that. And then 10 is 210. Oops. 10, 210 is about right there. Estimate, guys. Estimate. And 15 is 285. So about right there. And then connect your beautiful line. Draw arrows at the end because it can continue forever. Write a complete sentence. What is the independent and dependent variable? Oh, the independent variable is number of haircuts, and dependent variable is amount earned per day. Okay? Alright. Look at the triangle in the figure to the right. First, you want to draw the two triangles. First, draw RST. Oh, RST, that's the small one. RST, and we know that it's 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And then the other one is PQT. 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 For PQT, let me delete this. Oops, that didn't help. We know this length, which is 9. We don't know this length right here, so give it X. So let's use corresponding sides. 3 corresponds to 9. 3 over 9 and equals to 4 corresponds to X. So 3x equals to 36 divided by 3. Now then x is 12. This is 12. centimeters. So QT is 12 centimeters, and therefore QS right here is x minus 4. There's 4 there. X represents the whole thing, minus 4, so x is 12, so 12 minus 4 is 8 centimeters. Okay, that's the answer, and that's it for the review, I believe. Yeah, hope that helps.